Hello everyone, we are giving 100% scholarship to everyone who wants to learn marketing. Yes, so whether you are already a marketing professional or an enthusiast who wants to get into marketing, or probably you are already in marketing space but you want to grow more into the advanced level, we are offering a fully funded 100% scholarship for you to learn marketing for the next 6 to 9 months. Right, so now let's break this down. I am Inegben Stanley and I'm the founder of Inegben Academy, and over the last couple of months we'll be running different programs, but over the last 9 to 10 months we'll be developing an advanced digital marketing and marketing program, benchmarking against some of the very much advanced frameworks and marketing programs globally. Now what we did is this: we broke down every forms of digital marketing into 10 modules spread across 9 months, right? So yes, this is not your average digital marketing course where you get to learn content marketing, social media marketing, and running ads in 1 or 2 months, then you're a digital marketing expert. No, this is a thorough marketing program that takes you from beginner to advanced. Let me give you some insight. Apart from learning from the recorded videos that are on the elements, you are going to be trained in live sessions by mentors who are doing this in banks. When I mean banks, I mean some of the top banks you can think of, right? And in the agency sector, right? Some of the top agencies you can think of, either marketing agency, whatever category of agency. And I'm going to be learning from people who have done a lot of stuff real time, including myself. I have over 7 years of experience in professional marketing, over 9 years of experience if you add professional marketing to it. Well, anyways, let's get into it. So now let's get into what you are going to learn. I'm going to be reading from my screen, right? So I'll break the 10 modules down for you and I'll explain what you're going to be learning. So first is digital marketing in the era of AI. It will be very unwise of us to introduce you to marketing at this era and not help you also get grounded in how to use marketing, AI tools for marketing. I remember vividly I made my very first product marketing with AI video in 2023, right? And it helped a lot of professionals, including okay, let's not get into that, let's continue. Now, content marketing. You're going to learn content marketing. Content marketing has been taught in the vague format or the vague manner that a lot of marketers are not familiar with. I have trained tons of marketing teams. I have trained tons of companies in different sector, aviation and real estate, right? Aviation, real estate, tech, and I've consulted for brands, and I can tell you that there is a huge knowledge gap between what content marketing really is and what the new age marketers understand across what content marketing is. Now you're also going to learn social media marketing. This, I guess, a lot of people already understand this, but we are just going to add a few things to it, right? Then you're going to learn SEO. Now, when people learn SEO, they learn SEO from the point of understanding what search engine optimization is, how algorithms work, Google updates, understanding rank brain, rank mounts, and the likes, right? But they don't really build projects. So people call themselves experts in SEO, and you're like, okay, point to a project that you worked on that is an SEO that was powered by core search traffic, which is your SEO skills, right? And they don't have it. So in our program, what you're going to do is once you get to the SEO module, every student will build a website. Yes, you'll be taught how to build a website. You would build a website. You would have tracks of how to grow that website traffic and grow the user base. Either you want to just blog, or you want to build an e-commerce solution, or you want to build whatever you want to build, right? So if you also want to get into that, this is your program for you. So you will learn core SEO. You will be taught how to do SEO, technical and non-technical SEO. You will learn it, right? Then from SEO we'll move into paid search, where we have PPC and display advertising, right? So you will learn that a lot. Then you will learn email marketing and of course marketing automation. So for right now we're in the SaaS and digital era, right? So every business, except you want to increase your OPEX, which is your operating expenses, and reduce time to delivery, then you will not do email or marketing automation, right? Because from the very first touch points to the pop-up, to the subscribing, to the automated emails, for following up, for sequences and cadence, whatever you want to call it, down to closing your customer or selling whatever you want to sell to them, service or product, you need an end-to-end marketing automation. So you are going to learn that and different tools that we are going to use for that, building those marketing automation with email, right? You're also now going to learn soft skills for digital marketers. Yes, that is not in a lot of programs that you would see. So you are going to teach you soft skills for digital marketers. You will learn a lot, right? Marketing has been thought to be an isolated department, whereas marketing is not an isolated department. Marketing sits at the core of intersection between sales, customer support, business development, and management. Why? Because marketing is actually defined as the process of identifying, anticipating, and satisfying customers' needs profitably. So if you are going to identify, you need to sit with the product team to understand what they are identifying. You need to partake in their research. All of this you will learn more when you get to the academy. Let me not start spilling the milk here, right? So now you're also going to learn web optimization for e-commerce and social commerce, right? So that's, of course, even my previous explanation gives an hint to what you will learn here, right? Then you're also going to learn analytics with Google Analytics 4, right? So you're going to learn how to visualize, build dashboards on Google Analytics, visualize, and of course optimize marketing campaigns, marketing strategy, and marketing reports using Google Analytics 4. And also you're going to learn how to use Microsoft Clarity, right, to analyze products and user behavior to shape your marketing campaign and marketing strategy. Then you are going to learn digital marketing strategy. Now, I know you will think of what is there to learn again digital marketing strategy. Haven't listened, right, and heard what I have said, then understood what I have said so far, you would understand that understanding all of these things has a key role to play with strategy. And strategy is relative to whatever niche of digital marketing you are going to face. The strategy for a growth digital marketing specialist is not the same strategy for a marketing analytics expert. So there are different strategies in that area. So you are going to learn digital marketing strategies. Then you are going to of course build a capstone project for each of these things. So you are going to build 20 real world digital marketing projects in the course of this program. It's a 6 to 9 months program, right? So depending on your pace, 6 to 9 months program. And believe me, it's not going to be easy. So if you think you are up for it, you really want to understand what marketing is, learn marketing from the very best. I mean, learning marketing from marketers who have won awards, learning marketing from marketers who have skilled corporate products, individual products, and the likes, and also learning marketing from the best academy you can think of right now. Then you should apply to this program. How do you apply? It's simple. If you check the written contents below or above this video, depending on the platform you're watching from, you would see a link to apply now. Now, we wrote out this application last week, so that already shows you that tons of people have applied. But let me give you a hint if you are just applying now. What we look at, two major things. One, do you have a laptop and do you have access to constant internet? Right. Secondly, is your reason for applying.